March 20th, 2019. Fort Peck, first trip on Fort Peck. Right out here in front of the infamous pump houses. Looking for them big old lake trout. We're after a 15-pounder, possibly 20. Riley's already up there. He's gonna get on this bar. There's a bar up there at 50 foot. Drops down to 90 real quick. He's gonna get right up on that flat, right on that bench. Try to jig up some 10-pounders. Let's do it. Let's do it, Borgie.
Let's do it. Hambone's hooked up. How's it feel?
Feels good.
What were you using?
Got a silver spoon on there with red dots.
How deep of water?
60 foot.
Was he pretty aggressive?
Oh yeah, come up and stroked it.
Pull up, pull up, pull up.
Oh, yeah.
Solid Laker.
Yeah. Nice job, guys.
There you go.
That's what it's all about.
Boy, he swallowed that.
Fort
thing.
Peck.
He just ate it.
Good fish. Nice work. He's no pup.
He's running good.
Riley Hampton is hooked up. When you hear the drag peeling, you might be on Fort Peck.
So it was just helping Anthony try to get one up. Got him to the hole and he got off. I had my rod just sitting over here with my tube jig just kind of free suspended and maybe hanging up off 10 feet of water or 10 feet up off bottom and 64 feet of water, and came over and started dropping my jig down, and a big mark followed it down and picked it back up, and pow, he hammered it. Feels like a pretty good fish.
Jeremiah's been jigging the tube jig and having excellent luck. Everybody else is using spoons, but it's all what you have confidence in.
Yes, sir. Beautiful.
Nice 28-inch fish.
Just another solid, strong. You know, we harvested a couple smaller ones to eat, which they were absolutely delicious, but guys like this, he's going back in there so we can catch him next year.
Good work, sir. Excellent work.
Yeah, buddy. So awesome, man. Borgie's on.
Middle of the day. Just sitting here waiting for a fish to show up, and they just show up and hammer it.
Instant drag run on that one.
Instantly started ripping some serious drag. Right when you think it's gonna slow down, they show back up. You just gotta be confident in where you're at, know the fish are gonna be there, and have the right lure down.
I watched you set the hook on that one, man. I thought your wrists were gonna fall off.
Middle of the day. Well, now he's coming up quite quickly after taking a big run. Oh, I got him foul hooked. He's foul hooked.
Oh, he's right on his fin.
Yep, he's foul hooked. That's why he took a big run. Here we go.
Oh. Put that down so I can actually try not to get a treble hook stuck in my finger.
Yeah. Yeah, he's foul hooked. That's going to be tough to land him. There we go. There we go.
You got him?
No, not yet. There we go.
There we go. Another solid fish.
Yep, this one's foul hooked in the fin, so that's why he took that big run.
You're lucky you got that one in.
Yeah. This is on the smaller side of things.
What a day.
Hi, Scott Davis.
What a day.
What do you got to say about the day, Scott?
Man, I just stuck a 30, almost 33 incher. I bet he was 2 inches shy of Anthony. Was he still over here catching fish?
Oh yeah.
We had a little slow run, but that one just showed up and hammered it.
It got a little slow.
A little slow, just got to keep after it.
One thing out here, late ice. Stay away from the slush pockets because the ice is deteriorating on these slush pockets quicker than this stuff. Just stay out of these slush pockets because the ice is slowly inching, 8, 7, 8 inches. Some air starting to form in some of these slush pockets. So getting out of here, we're gonna have to try to stay on this good clear blue ice and get out.
The shores are getting a little hammered. Access points, just watch where you put in, put off.
Yep, this lake has few more days, and it's going to be tough for UTV, ATV to get out here anymore. So,
Absolutely.
be careful. So,
good weather, good fishing. Watch your ice conditions.
Yep. Always fish with somebody too when you're out here in case something happens.
Team up.
Absolutely right.
So,
Switch up rods. Just another typical drag screaming Mackinaw.
wow.
That's what you want to hear. Ooh. Drag screaming Mackinaw. If this doesn't get your heart pumping, then I don't know what would. Last day on Fort Peck, we were kind of discouraged this morning. Our normal spot from the last couple days did not produce, so we made a couple big moves. Looked on our Navionics, found the typical deep water structure set up, and we've got fish here. We've landed several over 28 already. This is another large fish.
Go.
Large. Oh, that's a big one. That's biggest of the trip, looks like. Get him. Nice fish.
Oh, dude.
He's long. That's a 34-inch fish.
He's a dandy, fella.
Put a tape on him real quick.
I don't have a tape, but he's pushing 33 with girth.
Yeah.
Very, very nice fish. Good head, good mass.
Good color.
Hey, lay him on the ice real quick. Let me get a quick measurement because we're having a little $20 bet who can get the largest fish. So we got 9. We got 18. We have 27. He's 34-inch fish, folks.
Biggest of the trip.
Biggest of the tourney. Let that girl go.
Yeah, we got to let this big one go.
Yep.
We don't want to keep fish this big. We're harvesting a couple to eat, but not this one.
There you go.
Not this one.
Not that one.
Boom!
Woo! That's what we
fish.
come out here for,
Solid
right here.
fish.
Right here. That's what we
Solid
come
fish.
out here for.
Solid.
How deep are you? How deep are you?
65 foot of water, mid-water hump.
What were you jigging, bud?
Jigging the leech, butter spoon, and the chrome rainbow. Fairly aggressive. All you got to do is pull it away from them when they come in. Follow it up and stroke it. Set the hook. Braided line, mono leader, no stretch, good hook sets. Get yourself a slice.
Wow.
Let's get some more last day redemption. Ultimate video.
JB, what'd you cook up?
No.
Nothing. What do you mean nothing? 2 hours on a tri-tip.
Tri-tip, fucking asparagus, green onions, and Bush Light.
Yep.
Bud Light. I'm going with the corn syrup tonight, fellas.
Bertie, what'd you add in there?
Mac and cheese. It's
Yep,
terrible.
big old pot of delicious mac and cheese.
Yeah, don't eat the mac and cheese.
So good, that mac and cheese.
I did not eat my tri-tip with my fingers either.
None of that. Dad, is it worth a shit?
That's damn good.
All right.